Hello, what's up guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. So guys, today we have a new brand, a new fantastic swapping crypto project, DonutSwap. DonutSwap is a decentralized crypto protocol crypto project, and today we will review this crypto project. Before proceeding, let me tell you that I am not financial advisor, but major announcement is DonutSwap FairLaunch is live. If you want to participate in FairLaunch, you can earn huge profit. So let's review this crypto project. So guys, you can see I am on the official website DonutSwap, and here you can see home, about us, tokenomics, technology, and team documents, roadmap, full roadmap. If you want to more information, click here, and full roadmap check out, and earn now DonutSwap swap and grow with the top decentralized crypto protocols. And if you click here the DFs, and here you can see the multiple features of your launch form, NFT word, syrup, NFT sale, launchpad, referral, white paper, audit, listing. Check out all details here. And if you click here buy now, so you can see on the official page presale finance. So pre-sale start in 4 hours 10 minutes and some seconds. So here DonutSwap FairLaunch, Safu done, audited, KYC. You can check out the report here, and total supply you can see of token for pre-sale, token for liquidity, soft cap 1 BNB, and pre-sale start time and pre-sale. And I am listing on PancakeSwap, and 60% liquidity percent, and liquidity lockup time 365 days after pool ends. So next we have here you can see some partners, presale, TextView, and Coin Market Cap in future. And check out the audit report by Solid Proof and KYC by presale and Safu locked, and check out all details here. And tokenomics, if we discuss about tokenomics, here you can see the contract address by 0% and 5% sale tax, and total supply 100% LP locked by now. So boost your earnings by now DFs. Here you can see the sum about features about a big DeFi app, and farm, launchpad incubation, and NFT collection, syrup pools, and gambling. So here you can say check out amazing features. And if we discuss about team, so here you can see the Donut Mock blockchain expert, Killer Robert developer, Thompson Scott developer, Luck Daniel marketing manager. Join the revolution community, be a part of DonutSwap vibrant DeFi community, and check out the Twitter. Here you can check 5,000 plus followers on Twitter. And next we have Telegram community. Feel free to ask if you have any question on join the Telegram community. And next is the major part of roadmap. So here you can check out, embark on a thrilling expedition, venture into the dynamic roadmap of DonutSwap transformative journey, combining the powers of technology with the promise of DeFi trust in our past as we engineer the future of finance, accelerating your wealth creation in way you have never imagined. And if you click here full roadmap and check out the all of details, DonutSwap vision, mission, FairLaunch, roadmap, tokenomics, tax governing mechanism, automatic liquidity, and DAO governance, DonutSwap DEX, launchpad, GameFi, DonutSwap, NFT pass, lottery, referral, Bitcoin, ordinals. So next we have season 1, you can see almost completed, and season 2 NFT collection, top exchange, syrup, iOS mobile, Android mobile, and season 3 DFs 2.0 partnership and expansion metaverse. So guys, here you can see the some official Telegram and Twitter account and Threads accounts. You can join and follow them and support the DonutSwap. So I hope you guys like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and we will meet again. Bye.